What is good, y'all? Today we're talking about some mental health tips that women in medicine can use. I honestly think that these tips could really apply to any woman in a professional setting. Let's get into it. Tip number one, and y'all might try to fight me for this, but I would say the first thing is to reflect on your work environment and make sure it's not a toxic environment. Work is stressful, I get that. Especially for women in medicine, there's just a lot of things that can contribute to stress, your patients, systemic challenges and barriers, microaggressions that you may be having at work, all of that, I get that. But if most of your mental health struggles are coming from work itself, it may be time to reflect and make sure that that work environment is actually one that's supportive of your mental health in the first place. If you find that the sole source of your mental health challenges is coming from work, it may be time to consider working somewhere else. Tip number two, sleep. I feel like for women and really anybody, sleep is one of the first things that gets sacrificed when we're in the hustle and bustle of life. You can't underestimate how detrimental not having enough sleep can be on your mental health. I'm not saying you need to get 8 hours of sleep because everybody operates differently. I'm just saying don't let sleep be the first thing that goes whenever you're feeling stressed out or overwhelmed. If anything, we should try to incorporate more sleep when we are feeling that way. And lastly, get into something that doesn't have anything to do with work. I'm not saying let me write research papers or something related to medicine. No, I'm talking something outside of medicine that you will enjoy. Pick up a hobby, join an organization. Admittedly, I am trying to get better at this because we need some reprieve from the hustle and bustle that medicine has. You need to make sure that you have an identity outside of the hospital or outside of the clinic. Find something that you can do and do it consistently. I promise you it's gonna do wonders for your mental health. That's all I have for now. Let me know if you have any questions and I will see you next time.